Welcome to InnerQuest. You are invited to a 5-minute fresh start mindfulness practice with me every day. Join me for the next 21 days as we plant the seeds of new beginnings, nurture our dreams, and create space for growth and transformation. Let's embark on this journey of renewal together. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down. Let your spine lengthen naturally and your shoulders relax. Soften the muscles in your face and gently close your eyes. Take a moment to feel the connection between your body and the surface beneath you. Notice the sensation of being supported by the ground. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently, and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, imagine letting go of what no longer serves you and creating space for something new to grow. Place one hand gently over your heart and the other over your lower abdomen, the Dantian area. Your heart connects you to your emotions, helping you release what no longer serves you with compassion and understanding. Your lower abdomen, the Dantian, is your center of power and grounding, giving you the strength and stability to embrace new beginnings. Now, imagine holding a golden seed in your hands. This seed represents the limitless potential within you, the opportunity to plant and nurture a new chapter in your life. Visualize yourself planting this seed into the fertile soil of your heart. As you do this, let your heart gently release any old patterns, beliefs, or emotions that no longer serve you. You might feel a sense of tenderness or emotion arising. This is natural. Imagine the strength of your Dantian supporting you, grounding you, and helping you create space for growth. With each inhale, feel the warmth from your heart energizing the seed. With each exhale, feel the stability of your Dantian grounding and nourishing it. See this seed beginning to sprout, drawing in light, hope, and energy. Let its golden light expand through your chest and radiate outward. Stay with this feeling for a while, allowing yourself to connect deeply with this seed and the infinite possibilities it holds. Simply breathe and let the energy of release and renewal flow through you. Take a deep breath in, hold it gently, and exhale slowly. Now, ask yourself, what am I ready to release today that no longer serves me? How can I let go with grace, knowing I am supported by my inner strength? How can I nurture the growth of my golden seed with the energy of renewal? What possibilities am I creating space for by letting go? Pause for a moment. These questions do not require answers in words. Let their energy settle within you. The awareness they bring will unfold naturally as feelings, clarity, or subtle shifts. Simply stay open to the possibilities. Take a deep breath in, hold it gently, and exhale slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes. Feel the lightness of releasing what no longer serves you and the energy of your fresh start. Practice this daily for the next 21 days, and let's walk this path of renewal together. Thank you for being here. Wishing you a day full of possibilities.